I can't count the amount of times one of my clients has said to me, I don't really know what this editing term is, or can you just make it pop or add some effects? Which is cool, but it's not super specific. So today we're going to add some more vocabulary words into our arsenal so we can communicate better with our video editors and even actually know what we're talking about when we're explaining this to other people. Hi, if you're new here, by the way, my name is Catara Lane. I am a video editor and I'm a YouTube strategist. So I wanted to make a video explaining the top 15 editing terms. So whether you're editing your own videos or you're having somebody help you out, hopefully this makes things a whole bunch more clear. Also, depending on how this video goes, I might make a part 2 and a part 3. So, number 1, raw footage. Now, this is any footage, any video clips that you have not edited yet, and it's coming straight out of the camera, straight off the SD card, it has not been touched yet. The second word is overlay. So basically what this means is that you're adding text, graphic, photos, or sometimes even videos, but you're adding it over the original video. So this right here is the original video, and now I'll show an example if I added an overlay or something like that on top of it. The third word is lower thirds. Now this is usually text, usually a name or a title displayed on the left or right bottom of the video. The fourth word, of course, is transitions. And this could be a wide of different things. So there are different types of transitions, hundreds of them. So this can be anything from a fade, a wipe, a slide, a whoosh, they call them different things. But like I said, there's over 100 of them. So when communicating this or trying to find your specific transition, just make sure you have a specific one in mind. Number 5 is VO or voiceover, and this is basically a voice that you put over top of a video. So we see this a lot when we are watching short video content on Instagram, sometimes YouTube, TikTok, and this is where there's like video playing, but there's somebody narrating what's going on behind the video. So it's not a talking head video like this, but it's somebody narrating what's going on. By the way, as I'm listing these terms, let me know down in the comments whether you are calling them something else, which, it's completely fine. Number 6 is aspect ratios. Now this is basically the video's dimensions, and there are, I want to say, a bunch of different video dimensions. So, 16 by 9 or, 1 by 1, that's usually made for like, Instagram posts. So yeah, depending on what type of video you are creating, depends on sort of like what aspect ratio you'll use. Number 7 is B-roll. I feel like this is one of the more common ones, but this is usually video or sometimes photos that complements, the A-roll. So for example, this right here that I'm doing is a talking head video. If I was to add some extra, videos on top of it that was explaining what I'm doing, that's considered B-roll. You can also think of it like, when you're watching the news, you have your news reporter, and then the content that they put over the news reporter when you don't see the news reporter talking, but you still hear them, but it's like video that's explaining what's going on, that's B-roll. Number 8 is call to action or CTA. This is usually text or graphics, and it can also be said out loud, telling or directing the viewers where to go next, what to do next. So it could be book a call or, download lead magnet or subscribe, but when you see a graphic on the screen or somebody saying it, that's a call to action. Now, number 9, branding elements. I know not everybody has these, so this is one of the more confusing words when I bring it up sometimes, but that is things like logos, the brand colors that you use, the specific fonts that you use, stuff like that. And then number 10, and I actually have a few words for this specific things, but this one is cut, clip, or trimming. And those words basically mean that you're removing the unwanted parts of the videos out, never to be seen again. If you made it to the end here, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.